Myself, Professor Vivek V.G. Zamotkar, and my topic is a study on durability of concrete by partial replacement of cement with bentonite. Bentonite introduction first. Bentonite is accessible spontaneously in nature, and it obeys pozzolanic properties. The construction industry which is utilized around 12.6 billion tons of crude material consistently in the largest user of characteristic assets on the planet, and its anti-logistically impact the ecologicalis of the planets. Along these lines, improvements of durability of the concrete structure is essential. Durability properties were investigated through chemical attack. Um Material material. It has experimental works. OPC 53 grades is used. One that is initial and setting time, and final setting time is find out 43 minutes and 123. Then fine aggregate and coarse aggregate is used. Zone 3, 2.6 fine aggregate is used. 2.6 specific gravity, and coarse aggregate 2.64 also. Uh, then calcium bentonite having specific gravity 2.38, standard consistency 75, and initial setting time 68 minutes, and final setting time 190 minutes. Next, methodology mixed proportion, taking 1026 IS 10262 2009, or mixed design was gone for ordinary Portland cement concrete having 28 days compressive strength of 30 MPa for control mix. For control mix having a compressive strength of 30 MPa, the mix proportion arrange is organized. Table number 1. Other concrete mix were prepared by replacing cement by weight with a cost measure of bentonite, that is B10, B50, B20, B25 with 30% different concept were studied. Mix type, there are different mix types: CM, B10, B50, B20, B25 with 30. There are bentonite percentage is used 0, 10, 50, 20, 25. Then cement also kg per meter cube, bentonite kg per meter cube, fine aggregate kg per meter cube. Some values will be find out. Then compressive strength, the standard size of cube 15 by 15 by 15. Then compressive strength is find out B10, B50, B20, bentonite 25, bentonite 30. The compressive strength is find out for 28 days. Then durability studies, there are different chemicals are used: H2SO4, NaOH, sulfuric acid. Some chemicals are used for bentonite. Then different compressive strength different compressive strength is find out. The chemical is used for 2%. There are compressive strength is find out after weight is find out for 2% of H2SO4. After compressive strength is find out 2% for NaOH, and weight is also find out 2%, 2% for NaOH. Some graph is to be find out. Then conclusion, finally the following conclusion are drawn after finish of the experimental work. The compressive strength of bentonite mixes were reduced at the age of 28 days in comparison to the CM B10 shown optimum among all blended mixes. The control mix does not increase its compressive strength, but bentonite mixes increase their strength due to increase in age. The increase in the compressive strength is because of the increase in age, but not due to the sulfate and alkali attack. Some references are to be used as Lima GDML. Some references 1 to 6 references are okay. Thank you.